Hi, this is Richard from Total Pots Plus. Today we have a Ford Ranger, stock reference number 5786. This shape ran from the 12th of 2006 to the 6th of 2011. It has a WLAT 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have a WLAT 4-cylinder 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand mirror. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Tailgate, no dents. Towbar. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Right front seat. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC control. Stereo head unit. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel.